10:30, something like that. We maybe all got 2-3 hours of sleep over at a quick pit stop in the middle of nowhere, New Jersey, and we're going to further nowhere, New Jersey, so it'll be fun. Checking the straps right now, making sure everything's good. Duct tape is holding.
1 hour tape. We only did 70.
I hear race cars. I see our bus here at the track. We made it, kind of. Look at this. Pretty skeevy, but it'll work. You alive? You alive? You alive? We're not alive. With the door open. Hell yeah. Made it to the track. Made it. Check out some of the cars. I'll be going around the pits pretty often this weekend. Miata, tons of other good cars, a lot of stuff. You happy we made it?
Not truck. It's another bit power car. Watch his wheels. He's good. Come back straight. Stuck? Yep, there you go. Looking curved. Looks good. You alright? Yeah, he's good. Keep your wheels straight. A little more right. Right there. Straight. Oh, just barely straight. We didn't drop the airbag, did we? Oh, they are?
Race truck? Oh, it's awesome. Crazy tow out.
Oh my god.
Alright, so got the car out. We need to drain all the old coolant because there's some antifreeze in it. Can only run straight water. That's why we got 6 gallons of distilled water. Our system uses a lot of water just because of how long it is. I mean, the radiator's way up here, all the way back. And you can see it draining. All the way back to the engine, so I think it sounds pretty good, honestly. For a J35? That's not bad. Should scream pretty good on track too. All right, so we're working on our tech inspection sheet. Here's our checklist for stuff. Big tech inspection sheet. So we got less than 2 hours to tech it. Otherwise, I don't know what happens. So we gotta tech it. That's what we're doing. All right, we're going through tech and BS inspection. So all dressed up as Dead Horse County, waiting to be inspected. Adjusted the tie rods a bit. Doesn't scrub pretty much at all anymore. We'll do a real fake alignment anyway in a little bit. Thing's so cool. Little walk around.
It looks much more comfortable.
Looks like we're passing tech. Need to do a tape up a edge on the door where we cut the card off, but otherwise seems that we're good. Absolutely need to get video of this. I believe it's a 73 Super Beetle, J35 swapped like our car, and then they put an Eaton M90 supercharger on top, Subaru 5-speed transmission, and it's making I think they dynoed it at 350. This thing is just so cool. BMW wheels. I forget what size they got going on, but geez, this thing is so cool. We passed tech, we passed bribe, and BS inspection. We got C-Class, which is great, because we're not gonna win that either, but it's great that we got C-Class. We have more work to do, but a couple of, or half the team is at the rookie drivers meeting right now. All right, continuing our tour of the pits. I don't know what everything is from far away, especially with how much modifications are done, but that's a Volvo. I think the other thing on that's not racing. It's not caged, so it can't. Ooh, tandem bicycle. Oh, mechanical errors. Del Sol. Oh yeah, that thing's actually pretty fast from what I know. This thing's cool. This is street legal. Ninja Turtles, Honda Odyssey, inline 4. I don't know what year or generation that would be with Prelude manual swap. Oh, they have the Katana. We have one too, but we haven't put it in. It's actually pretty sweet. This is kind of like what the $500 my ass. That's kind of what the Boosted Boys Odyssey is. They have a 700 horsepower Odyssey. It's like the same engine boosted.
Still have the radio and everything.
Yeah, this thing's sweet.
You need the J35.
We do. J35 manual swap something. I don't know. An Odyssey, yeah. I'm loopy. I'm forgetting things I want to do. And a Mitsubishi over there. Is that actually a race car? I don't even know if it is. It might just be a rally car. This is Christmas themed. Oh, the Ultimate Warriors are down there. Oh, it's an SER. Look at that. Good stuff. Cup noodle, nice. Like it.
Yeah, it's
Those things are usually pretty good. I don't know what this is. What is it? Saab something? Saabs are Saab Turbo. Saabs are usually decent around here. Lemons, you can get them for pretty cheap. 944 or 924? I can't tell. That's some Mitsubishi. I don't know what that is. Cosworth. Oh, it's Cosworth. Doy. I think this is a 2003 Altima. How you doing, guys?
How are you?
Doing good. We're finally just have a split second to walk around. Tour continuation. Some type of wagon. I don't know what that is. You know? Ford? Not Volvo. Got crabs? Oh boy. Oh boy. Hoonigan? Oh, it's like the Ken Block thing. Another Del Sol. Deuce and a half. That's cool. Oh, it's actually registered antique. That thing's sick.
How many bolts? Like,
How many bolts is that? That's crazy. Can you see the portal axles from up front? Probably. Oh yeah. No, these are just straight axles. Or no, they are portals.
just go straight up, buddy.
No, you're right. Wow. And the diff does go straight up. That is neat. Huh. Interesting. There's the other bus. I don't know if I showed that. There, it's like an old Boy Scouts bus, actually. It's pretty neat. What's this thing? Oh, Gremlin. That thing's sweet.
I like how it's not even a race car.
No, it's just here. I'd honestly own a Gremlin.
They're pretty awesome.
Can't you make them like kind of fast?
I mean,
Like you can make them handle decent and put a V8 in them.
you can put a V8.
This buggy's here again.
Yeah,
This thing's sweet. I'm gonna check this out. This thing's awesome. Oh, and they got this freaking pit contraption again. I remember that. Oh, this thing's sweet. It's really clean too. Just really well done. That thing's so cool. I don't know how people build that stuff.
Looks like a dirt track, guys.
It does. It really does. We got here.
This looks way too nice.
What is this? Is this like an old Celica? No. What is it? Avengers Assemble. What is it?
That's a V6.
What is it? I don't even know what this car is. Whatever it is, it's really neat. This thing has Japanese on it. It's JDM. I don't even know what that is. Oh boy. Yeah, we're in store for a pretty crazy weekend. Late night before the race. People partying, milling about, fixing cars. We're doing an alignment. Can't really have multiple people doing that, which sucks, but this is Lemons. It's good stuff.